event. So, Loki, I actually got a huge ooze axolotl. Quite a lot exists, but yeah. Um. So yeah, let me just hop into the event now. And as you guys can see, I don't have 1 billion of these slime coins, but I actually got way more than a billion. I actually got around 2 billion. To do because these eggs, the developers actually they nerfed it. I upgraded this. Guess I'd rather just do this because there's low-key no use of buying the egg. And yeah, as you guys know, I have max upgrades. So yeah, let's just start upgrading these. Oh, this is gonna be so expensive. Look, I'm just gonna go to the Dominus Astra because this is the best odds you can get. Besides just upgrading it more, so I'm actually just going to upgrade this one row to well, let me see. Okay, to the crocodile. So that each of them at least have a chance at giving me only chests. But these other conveyors of pets, they'll only give me these other things. And I think some of them have a chance at giving me chests too in those other conveyors. But this one conveyor is just going to give me chests. And chests only. Oh, sheesh. I'm quite broke. Now what do I do? Do I sell it? Okay, no. I have a better idea. Let me just reset all of this. Only 600 million. So I wouldn't get one fully maxed upgrade, but and that's going to be the conveyor speed, I think. But yeah, that's not really that important, but oh Loki, this is taking a lot more than I thought. Oh no. Bro, I literally cut it more than half my coins. But now, okay, no. I seriously don't know what to do right now. Okay, let me just upgrade all of these to the max. I'll be right back. Okay, so it wasn't the faster conveyor that was expensive, it's the faster breakables. But yeah, that seems dang expensive. Now Loki, I'll just reset this. Bruh, that literally to just upgrade this to the Dominus Astra. It's so I literally don't know what to say. It's around 50% more expensive to upgrade all of these. Dang. So this is to get the very first pet here to max. Not max. It's literally around 200% more. 100%. It's double. But yeah, I'll be right back once I've got okay, I'm low-key starting to run out of these coins, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get at least to the next tier, if not the next one. Yeah, the dragon. After this, I'm 100% sure it's the Dominus Astra. Oh no, it's the Phoenix. Yeah, after this, it has to be the Dominus Astra. So that's around, dang, 300 million more coins. That's a lot. And these chests are low-key hard to break, but yeah, bye.